Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the network path was not found error code 0x80070035 in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go services. In this, you search TCP/IP, right click on this, click on properties. Here you select automatic on startup type. If you are stop, you should start. If you are stop, click on start. Then click on apply, click on OK. After doing this, close this window. Then press on Windows key. Then type here ncpa.cpl. Open this option. Select here Add to Network. Right click on this. Click on Properties. Then select here Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on Properties. In this, you select Advanced. Then select here Wins. Check this option Enable Net BIOS over TCP/IP. Then click on OK. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.